How to remove Google account from Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove the Google account from Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, removing your Google account from your Android phone is very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the settings application on your Android phone. Depending upon the phone that you're using, you simply want to go ahead and then look for the option here known as accounts and backup. Now, in some devices it could be written as only accounts or maybe password and accounts, but you just have to look for such option in the settings app. After you open it, in my case here you can see manage accounts. So depending upon which phone, again you have to look for manage accounts option, where you'll be able to see a list of all the accounts, not only Google but also other email addresses that you've added. So depending upon which Google account you would like to remove, just select that account and then tap the remove account option, and then you'll be able to remove your account in that way. This way you can remove Google account from Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.